So what is the smile line? The smile line on a French design, whether it's acrylic or gel or whatever product you're using, is the swoop, the smile, right? So did you know that there are lots of different depths of this smile, and they can look very, very different on the nail. And the natural nail has its own smile line. That's what we're going to talk about today. Let's get started. So smile lines can be hard to create. It's a bit of practice to get used to it. You can do it in acrylic, you can do it in hard gel, you can do it in soft gel. I'm going to show you today in soft gel on this plain set of nails what different shapes of smile lines look like on the nail and how to determine how to create it and how different it really does look from a very strong smile to a soft smile. Okay, so I've got a plain white set of nails. And I'm going to start with, actually, I'm going to use Kiara Sky. It's not a sponsored video, but I was given these products by them and they're beautiful. So I thought I'd share that with you. I've got 4 different colors and I'm just going to show on the nail how you would create a gentle smile all the way to an extreme smile. Now, when you get natural nails, so when a client comes in with natural nails, sometimes they want a smile line. Where do you put that? Well, when you're doing fake nails like acrylic or gel and you're building out, it's a little bit more work to do it, but this rule actually applies to the same. So let's say this natural nail client wants gel and just a soft gel. I just made a nice white background just to give us a nice base to start from so we can see these colors pop off so you can really see it. So I'm going to grab me glasses. So let's say the client wants a very gentle, well, that's a good point. Clients sometimes don't know what they want. They don't even know that a smile line is very strong or very deep or they don't really know that. So sometimes you kind of determine that when you see the nail. So if you're a creator yourself and they don't really have an idea, you could just sort of do what you think. Sometimes when you're halfway through it, they'll say, oh, I don't like it that strong. So you could bring that up ahead of time. Or if they show you a picture of a smile line, you'll have an idea of maybe how strong they like it. So let's say for the first client that comes in the door, we don't want a very strong smile line. Maybe the nail is really short too. You can't really do a well, you can, but it's a little harder to do a super strong smile line with a shorter nail. But let me show you on this one. So let's say the client comes in. I'm going to show you this pink. This is a beautiful color. I don't know what it's called. Let me take a peek. The Cosmos. Okay, so I'm just going to dot a little bit here on my ceramic tile because it's easier to access it than off the brush. And I'm going to take a dotting tool. So let's say for the first one, we want just a nice gentle smile line, nothing too deep at all. So the idea is from side to side, you want to do a little bit of a swoop. So the smile line sort of starts where the finger and the free edge begin, where they're sort of separating, where the free edge starts. You can somewhere dot it in there. So I'm just going to take a little dot. I'm going to dot it there. Now I'm going to flip it over and show you this way. And I'm going to sort of draw a line in my mind across this way. Now, we don't want to go straight across like that. Now, you want to put a dot on the opposite side. And in the center here somewhere, because we just want a nice gentle smile line, you wouldn't want to put it in the center. Just put it down just a little bit. That'll show us where we want to go, okay? I do have some black under here from the previous video that I did with the French black. If you haven't seen it, take a minute to watch it. It's a beautiful set. Some tips on how to do reverse black powder, which is hard to work with. Okay. Oh, wrong brush. Okay, so the other end of this little brush that I have is just a pointy one. And it's just, I'm going to get some product on there so I can just draw a line here and show you what a gentle swooped smile line might be. I'm going to take it right from the center point all the way to that point on the side. And then I'm going to take it from the center all the way to that other point on the other side. Just smooth that up a bit. So you can see that is one smile line. Now I'm just going to paint it out so you can see the rest of it. I'll get my little balance tube. So just so you can see really strongly, I'm just going to paint the rest of the nail, the pink. And I'll paint these more solid with with the second coat and stuff for the final shot so you can really see it. Okay, so that's a nice, gentle, soft smile line. And just as a little side note tip, if you make a little boo-boo, you can just take a little bit of alcohol on a brush. Even a dry brush works. And you can just smooth that right up.
So this is like a smile line that you would actually paint on as opposed to making an acrylic. Is that right?
No. So just to be clear, this smile line, you can paint this on just like this, but this is just to show you the different kinds of smile lines you can get and how you get it. Some are not very strong smile lines, and some, well, as we go on, you'll get what I'm trying to say. Okay. So the second one, let's say the client wants a deeper smile line. So with this beautiful color, I just got to tell you the color, plain and simple. It's very pretty. It's not so plain. It's quite beautiful. And you don't need to do it with the dotting tool. And just the 3 dots that I'm doing is just giving you an idea of how you can do it ahead of time. Because if you just swoop it, you might find it's uneven when you do it. So I'm going to put the dot. Now you can see this smile line is just nice and gentle. This one, I want it to go deeper. So I'm going to put the dot there. And somewhere over here is going to be where it's going to end. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line in my mind, sort of across this way. I want to put the other dot on the other side, pretty much in the same spot. So then I'm going to go from the middle dot, and I'm going to join up to the side. This is just so you can keep it even, right? Then I'm going to draw the other side, and I'm reaching all the way up to that dot there. Okay? And I'll just paint it in. So as you can see, this one is a nice smile line. This one is a little deeper. And now we're going to do the next one, even stronger. So this one, I did the dot down here. If I measure these 2 cuticles here, the dot would be here. I'm going to make this one even deeper. And I'm going to put the side dots here. You know, those 2 can go quite a bit deeper. Well, let's do it on this one. We're going to put the side dots, if you can see this, way down here. We'll go down even further. So now I'm going to join the small dot down there. And I'm going to go all the way up, see, to this one up there. I'm going to go all the way up to the side and take it right in on the side. And I'm going to get in some purple. And again, I'll clean that up again and do a second coat. See how strong that is? So you've got the slight smile, a little bit stronger, and then this one's super stronger. And again, I'll clean all that up. Okay, so what else is left for the little one? Well, sometimes you'll see some designs where the French is just really on the end. So let me show you that. And this is all art, so it's very subjective. And I'm not saying that you have to do this one, or this one, or this one. You can make up your own. I'm just showing you the ways, how do you get a deeper smile. And even if you don't know much about the smile line, somebody might just say to you, did you want a deeper smile line? Now you'll know. Okay, so you could just go, you could say just cover the very end, right? Or if you want, you could draw a line there and draw a line, a dot, and then join this tiny, tiny little free edge of French all the way down here. You could do it all the way down here. See that? That is a super, super strong French smile line. Very deep. And then you can get in doing the chevrons where everything's just a V. So when I do the dot system, I'll just quickly show you. If I do the dot system, because I'm going to redo these again for the final photo. We literally do a dot. Do a dot on either side. Right? And instead of going from the center dot, a little bit of a swoop. you would do it on a solid, straight line, right? You could even, it's very hard doing it at this angle, so I apologize, but you just want to make sure that you go like a straight line. A straight line, and you can see once you fill that guy in, these colors are quite lovely. You can see what that would look like. So there you have it. That's how you determine, and everybody's different. Oh, and I should tell you, I'm going to show you a few natural nails. Here's some natural nail photos. You can see where the natural French line is. Some is kind of wobbly, some are very strong, and some are kind of soft. Some are much more whiter than others, and some hardly noticeable at all. But I'll also draw a recommended French line where you can see. Take a look at these photos. So let's just take a look at those final photos again, just to recap the different smile lines that you can create. So I hope that helps explain the difference in what kind of smile lines you can get, as far as just a gentle smile or a very strong smile. Thanks for joining me. Catch you guys in my next video.